Hi friends, this is the first time I have purchased vegetables and fruits from Grofers. They have packed like this and brought to me. It's very nice packing. And after opening this package, I will show you how the fruits and vegetables are. These are the vegetables, very fresh vegetables they have sent. I'm feeling very happy to share with you all. You can see everything is a fresh one only. I have ordered rich gourd, bananas, pomegranate, apples, and some more bananas, papaya. It's so nice. Just within one day it will get ripened so that we can eat very easily. Potatoes, oranges, and here tomato and custard apple. So all these with a very reasonable price I have received from the Grofers. I just felt very happy. This is the first time I have purchased, and they have sent a nice packing. Starting of the video, you might have seen the packing, how they have packed and have sent. It's so nice to share with you all. You can also purchase these vegetables items also, not only the groceries from the Grofers. Now they have started this fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and fresh vegetables they are sending. So you can purchase in any location of Chennai. You can have this, not only in Chennai, all the metropolitan cities and main cities in all over India. They have covered so many areas. They have covered so that you can purchase by checking in your locality whether you are having the Grofers or not. You can check and you can purchase. In the description I will share you the link for downloading the Grofers. You can download the link of Grofers and you can cross check yourself whether you are having this facility of groceries items and the fruits and vegetables in your area or not. You can check after downloading. You just enter your name and address, then you will come to know whether you are having whether yours is covered, your area is covered under the delivery location of the Grofers or not. You can see very clearly. It will be very transparency and very reasonable prices for the groceries items. Now they have stepped into, in this pandemic situation, they have stepped into this fruits and vegetables also. So it's a very reasonable price comparing to our More Market and Reliance Fresh, that and all. This is very reasonable price. You know how much is that? I just got this tomatoes for 1 kg just 35 rupees. In my location, when I am going to this Reliance Mart, Reliance Fresh or anywhere, I can see this price as a 40 to 60 rupees, that much. Wholesale market you can see in your location, there you can get for same price 35 rupees. The same price Grofers have given. I felt very happy to share that. And this one papaya is, this one is of around 1 kg or more than 1 kg. This one I got just for 30 rupees. This is a just reasonable price. Wholesale price I can mention, market price this is. We don't need to go to the market in this pandemic situation. You know very well, in our Chennai daily it is getting increased a little bit. Now in this pandemic situation, without stepping out, you can purchase the fruits, vegetables, groceries, everything whatever we require. Even recently they have started putting this fashion, what we say, this t-shirts, trousers, that also they have started in our Grofers app. That's why only I'm mentioning to dear friends, in our description part of the video I have given the link. Download yourself, get benefited. Grofers is the best app I have seen remaining apps and all, whoever giving their groceries and all, like as a Flipkart and Amazon, that is also better only, but than that this is the best. Flipkart and Amazon also have been sending this, but this is so much best. And this Poovan banana, we know very well, very healthy and immunity boosting item this is. And as well as pomegranate also. Yeah, this one is a very less price I got, per 1 kg just 45 rupees, just 45. Outside anywhere you go and see, one banana will be of cost 5 rupees. In any shop and any market you see, one banana cost they will take us 5 rupees. So 12 bananas of 1 kg, it will goes up to 60 rupees for you. I got for 45 rupees. Pomegranate, this one I got pomegranate. These three, when you go and see in a Reliance Fresh or anywhere, it will cost you each one for 30 rupees minimum. See how much is this? This much, very fresh. This much I just got these three only for 40 rupees. Three together only for 40 rupees. See custard apple, how much fresh all these are. How much fresh. Just within 1 day, it will get ripened. We can start eating by tomorrow onwards. Just today morning I received, tomorrow onwards we can have it. This one per 1 kg I got only for 45 rupees, just 45 rupees. All these immunity boosting fruits I can have it, and the entire family can eat. A small family of 3 members like us, it will be much more than enough. We can eat it for at least of 2 days or 3 days easily. Apples, evergreen fruit always. Who never no one everyone will love to eat apples. See how much fresh apples I have received here. These 4 apples together I got for just 65 rupees. Yeah, really, you can't believe also. Just these 4 apples. See how much size is this? See, this much of a size and fresh apples. Very nice. These 4 apples I got just for 65 rupees. Oranges also very fresh only. Very juicy. This is also rich source of vitamin C. You can immunity boosting factor it will have. So this half kg just for 20 rupees I got. These 5 oranges. Like this, I just want to share you all this, and I will share you the link also. Please check in your location whether it is available or not. Maximum all the locations in our Chennai have covered with all type of groceries and all type of fruits and vegetables from our nearby wholesale market they will bring, and very fresh one only they are giving. Happily you can share with your friends also, and so many offers also will be given, like as a bank offers or some other offers they have been providing. Earlier days I got so many other extra offers also from the grocers, and nowadays in this pandemic situation also they have been trying to give so many number of offers for these groceries and fruits and vegetables. So I expect you also will get benefited by this video, informative video. Please share with your friends and neighbors, relatives, everyone. And before that, please do subscribe and like my video, and please click on the bell button to get the notifications. Same like this, I will be back to you all with so many information, so much informative matters which can be useful for you in this pandemic situation. Without stepping out, how can we survive, how can we do best in our home? Thank you friends, thank you all, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all.